Today we have the newspaper of 1st April 2025 and start with the news about the opposition fueled fear over Waqf bill, say Rizzo. The minister accused the opposition of misleading innocent Muslims by telling them that the government will snatch their properties. Centre likely to table the bill in parliament tomorrow. Next is about after clampdown in India. Return of Bangladeshi up. Kathua hunt. Three militant cornered by security forces. Government reject US media report claiming whole supply sensitive tech to Russia. Summer set to be warmer but El Nino unlikely during next monsoon. Indian Meteorological Department. AAP BJP power tussles heat up at ETC blame government for rise in outage. Police visit Kamra's Mumbai home. Comic calls it waste of time. Farmer in Punjab stage protests outside houses of AAP ministers MLAs. AI, AIADMK keeps its options open for ties with BJP, TVK and NTK. Uttarakhand government renames 18 places across 4 districts to honor public sentiments. MP government lied about no increase in taxes in budget, say Congress. Wayanad landslide weeps out two forest encroachments. As a student protest, Telangana government stake claim over land. Stop a grant of lands in Nagarhole core area to communities, CM told. Dhuru Space join hand with satellite service farm in Japan. Significant increase in monsoon rainfall in Western Ghat over past 800 years study. Indie bloc as a beginning of democratic renewal. Indie bloc needs to be engaged with people, movements, and demonstrate that it is listening to the real India. Next is about National Education Policy 2020 in the classroom, form policy to practice. Observations from 24 classrooms in 8 states across India point to some change. Among ministries, Home Ministry top most assurance. Thinking beyond population count. The time come to go beyond population size as the lone yardstick of allocation and determination of political representation. The Black Slapping Man's Club. The cacophony around Honey Trap threatened to subsume case of sexual abuse. Why are tension high in the Arctic? Who are the member of Arctic Council? Why has the Arctic region become an area of interest now? What is the conflict around the Northwest Passage? How has Russia made its presence known in the region? These are the questions that has answer in this passage. What is vibe coding and how does it help non-coders? When it comes to the non-programmers, vibe coding can be a fun way to generate code for personal project without formally learning the more technical part of the skill. Eid prayer held under the enhanced security in UP. Ram and Bam went to incite riots in West Bengal, warned Mamta at Eid rally. Bengal BJP accuses Mamta of insulting Hindu religions during Eid celebration. March leader wanted in Telangana, Chhattisgarh killed in Dantewada. PA Sangma had advocated division of Northeast Biren. Two-day Congress session in Gujarat will seek to highlight party-rich legacy in state. National education policy promote indigenization of education system. Sonia should support it. Fadnavis. Tourist Ministry not utilizing fund panel. Ministry only use only 396 crore of 2,479 crore allocation in 2024 and 2025. Statistics indicate that systematic inefficiency, says Parliamentary Committee in report submit to Rajya Sabha. Niti Aayog to open portal on state finance today. The portal will help in benchmarking each state data against the other and the national figures, the Niti Aayog says. Lowering tariff will harm interests of farmers, SKM. Ahead of SC hearing, right bodies are centered to defend Forest Right Act. Renault decided to acquire Nissan's 51 stakes in Indian joint venture. Foreign investors turned net sellers in India equities in 2024 and 2025. They sold equity worth 1,27,041 crore in the year. They were not net sellers in 7 out of 12 months. The selling slowed down in March at 3,977 crores. ITC set to buy Aditya Birla Arms pulp paper unit for 3,490 crores. Is India firm set to manage US-Russia crude oil sanctions? This news from Dubai that Iran's supreme leader rebuffs Trump's threat over nuclear deal. Nepali PM Oli hold former king responsible for the last week violence. Next news is about top aide to Israel PM Netanyahu arrested in Qatargate probes. Toll from Myanmar earthquake rise to 2,056 while 3,900 missing. Le Pen barred from seeking public office for 5 years over embezzlement. Trump slams Zelensky's and Putin as truce get delayed. Netanyahu pick new security chief defying legal challenges. Israeli orders evacuations of Rafah city in Gaza South. All applications are continuously vested US government on visa revocation report. Aswani burst Rickelton Bleach help Mumbai Indians blow away KKR. Minsk stunned Djokovic to win maiden ATP Tour title. WhatsApp is helping India's small business do big things. We are on the right track. We just need to keep our navigation bar very clear on where we want to go. Bipolar disorder, complex but surmountable by early diagnosis. This is a disease that is right now curable. It is useful to conceptualize the origin of mood disorder in terms of stress, gene environment interactions, and circadian functioning. Proximal stressors, including advisor child experience, digital stresses seen in adult, including financial difficulties and bereavement and trauma. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.